DTV న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. హైదరాబాద్ కాజాగూడలో ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టాఫ్ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ కాలేజ్ ముందు ఇంటర్నేషనల్ సెమినార్ నడుస్తుంది. ఈ సెమినార్ ను గురువారం రోజున దుద్దిల శ్రీధర్ బాబు ప్రారంభించారు. శుక్రవారం రోజు ఉత్తమ్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి హాజరై ఇందులో ఒక సెమినార్ లో రిబ్బన్ కట్ చేసి ప్రారంభించారు. వారి వెంట పార్లమెంట్ సభ్యులు భరత్ కుమార్ ఉన్నారు. మన దగ్గర ప్రతి సంవత్సరం 40 లక్షల మంది చదువుకొని బయటకు వస్తున్నారు. 6 లక్షల వరకే కంప్యూటర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఇస్తున్నావు, కానీ ఈ సంవత్సరం నుండి అందరికీ కంప్యూటర్ విద్యలో ప్రావీణ్యం కల్పించాలని, ఎక్కడ కంప్యూటర్ లేని దగ్గర సమాచారం అందించినట్లయితే ఒక వారం రోజులు కంప్యూటర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ను చూపెట్టే ఏర్పాటు చేయాలని తెలియజేశారు. కళాశాల యాజమాన్యంతో వారి హెడ్ సెమినార్ కు ఏర్పాటు చేసిన కొందరు ఏడుస్తూ కూడా జక్కుల నాగన్న మాజీ ఎక్స్ ఎంపీటీసీ సెమినార్ కు హాజరైనటువంటి విద్యార్థులు. రిపోర్టర్ భద్రయాచారి, ఏవో తెలంగాణ.
So sir, this is basically the lab that we are seeing, and we have to literally pull everything out of it. Even the benches will also come out.
Actually, sir, when I told him to come here and all, just 4 days time he had. There's no way he could lift the whole thing here. He came here, got it manufactured everything in Hyderabad, and moved to this place. That is the kind of facility that these people have got in 4 days time.
Sir told we have
all
to
this is 4 days.
Yeah.
Everything 4 days.
I got to know about a place here which is Balanagar. There was a bit of communication problem.
Only 3 minutes.
So in India, we have 133 million students from grade 9 to 12, and 4 million students only have the access to STEM labs. That means 95% of students don't have the access to STEM labs. STEM is basically science, technology, engineering, and maths. And since this accessibility is not there, the kind of jobs that we're looking forward to now is basically STEM. And to cater that, we have built this vehicle. The two biggest challenges with the existing school is they don't have the right infrastructure and the faculty with that. And how do we complement them? Every school have a playground with them. Can we make that playground into a AI STEM lab? It's a vehicle where we put every equipment in a box and take it to the school. And then we take it to the playground and then open it. So it's literally thinking outside the box, because your people have to think outside the box and then work on it. So we have everything related to AI, IoT, digital literacy, design thinking, space technology, and we give this 280 minutes free program to every student so that they have the basic understanding of this technology. If only one student become innovators, that is 10,000 students. We want to impact 1 million students by 2026 in next 3 years, and 1% student will become innovators and entrepreneurs, and they will be making big business in next 10 years.
Where do you get money from?
So we have basically 2 revenue streams. The first revenue stream is CSR and the government institutions. The second is from the private schools. We also cater the private schools. If they can pay, we take money from them, and then we subsidize the amount to the.
Why don't you tell the success story of one of the rural student who went up to NASA and became entrepreneur?
Yeah, so
We have the brochure here.
Yeah.
So we have the brochure here. So this is the story of Basu. This is a village. It's an island village in Odisha, and he was selected for the NASA rover challenge, kind of Olympics for school kids in technology. And then